Now we will see the legal phrases. This also includes in our legal language portion. So first legal phrase is ab initio, means from the beginning. Ad fenem, toward the end. Ad hoc, for this special purpose. Ad infinitum, forever without limit to infinity. Ad interim, for the meantime. Amicus curiae, a friend of the law court, a disinterested advisor. Then audi alteram partem, here the other side. Bona fide, in the good faith. Malafide, in the bad faith. These two phrases are the opposite of each other. Cause sine qua non, a cause without which the thing would not have happened, an indispensable cause. Cause celebre, here the cause means a legal case and celebre means famous. A peculiarly notable trial, a controversial issue that attracts a great deal of public attention. Caveat actor, let the doer be aware. Caveat be aware means let him. Caveat subscriptor, be on his guard, let the signer be aware. Then caveat venditor, be aware means let the seller. Caveat emptor means let the buyer, purchaser be aware. Then censor mortem, censor of morals. Then centum, 100. Substitute quo trust, the beneficiary under a trust. Then de facto, in actual fact, really, in fact. De jure, in a law, rightful, by right. De novo means new. Dative, a prisoner. Exeunt, leave the stage. Exeunt omnis, all leave the stage. Ex gratia, as an act of a grace by favor. Fox pass, a false step, mistake. Ignorantia legis nemnin exuset, ignorance of the law excuses nobody. In absentia means in absence. In camera, in a judge private room means in a secret. In isses, in existence. In forma papyrus means as a poor man. Infra means below, lower down on the page or further on in the book. Infra dig, below one's dignity. In presenti, at the present time. In principio, in the beginning. Inter alia, among other things. Inter virus, between living person. In toto means entirely. Ispo juri, by the law itself. Jus means law.